Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing Panasonic cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Panasonic LUMIX G100. We'll be analyzing these cameras in various categories, so stay tuned and let's dive right in. Both the GX85 and the G100 deliver exceptional image quality thanks to their micro Four Thirds sensors. However, the GX85 stands out with its fine detail performance, offering a near 10% boost in resolving power. With no low-pass filter, it produces incredibly sharp and detailed images. When it comes to portability, the G100 takes the lead. With its compact design and lightweight body, it's perfect for on-the-go shooting. The GX85, although slightly bulkier, is still much smaller and lighter compared to most DSLRs. Both cameras offer the convenience of mirrorless technology for those who prefer a more portable setup. In terms of stabilization, both the GX85 and the G100 excel. They feature in-body dual-image stabilization, ensuring clear and steady shots, even in low-light conditions. This is especially beneficial for capturing handheld videos, including stunning 4K footage. No more worrying about shaky footage. When it comes to the viewfinder and display, the GX85 offers an integrated eye-level electronic viewfinder with a high resolution. It also has a tilting LCD display, providing flexibility in shooting angles. On the other hand, the G100 features a bright and clear viewfinder, along with a convenient touch-enabled LCD screen. Both cameras offer great options for composing your shots. If you love shooting videos, both the GX85 and the G100 won't disappoint. They can record stunning 4K videos with impressive detail. However, the GX85 offers exclusive LUMIX 4K photo and post-focus features, allowing you to capture photos up to 30 FPS and adjust focus points after the shot. The G100, on the other hand, provides advanced audio capabilities and can be easily connected to your computer for use as a webcam. And there you have it, the comparison between the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Panasonic LUMIX G100. Both cameras have their own strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a content creator, these cameras offer top-notch performance. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.